Malaysia plays hide and seek with a laughing wild elephant in heartwarming video. Right. Cute animal video have been proven to release stress for viewers, but
Yes,
it's usually of domesticated house pets. Of
exactly.
course,
Cat,
here in
dogs.
Malaysia, yeah. And what do you have? Cows? I don't know. Never mind.
Cows.
Only me, I think.
Hey,
And
yo,
then,
that's random. Oh wait, no, you are not wrong because there's a cow farm, kan, in Pahang,
yeah,
like the Dutch
I,
lady farm.
that's in Cameron, I think.
Cameron? Huh?
Yeah, Cameron High. I think Pahang, Pahang, yeah. But yeah, let me share a pic to you later when this ends,
Okay.
okay? I'll let you know, okay? So, of course, here in Malaysia, though we experience things a bit differently from
Mhm.
monkeys, tigers to tapis, it's not uncommon news for these wild animals to find their way to our residential
Yeah.
areas, perhaps
True.
desperately looking for food amidst deforestation.
Yeah.
Okay, speaking of
Indeed.
tape, you guys remember the tape masuk clinic?
There's no, there's a newest one. You know,
That's a news.
yeah, the tapi at the tingkat 17
No,
condominium.
no, no, dia masuk link
Bro.
tu.
Like usually the
Okay.
house cat you will see lah kan, like
Ah,
wandering around. Like a tapi, imagine just open the lift, a tapi like, hello there, hi Chris, how are you?
what the tape doing?
What the tapi doing?
So this time around, though we've got our hands on some classic nation hospitality where a man best friends a cheeky wild elephant at his work area in Banding, Perak. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Avid TikTok users and local diver Muhammad Shadi has uploaded a series of 4 videos a week ago showcasing his new friend's playful antics, with the most popular one garnering over 600,000 views and 31.8k likes.
What?
So let's watch
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Okay, how the hell did he have the guts to do that?
I
Look at
mean,
the
if
size
why
difference, man.
animal, yeah. Oh my god.
Malam
I'm gonna
budak-budak
be
tu.
scared if that happened to me.
And he's laughing. And what the dog doing at the back? So in the
I'm gonna be
video,
terrified, man, if that happened.
yeah, the elephant is seen hiding behind large crates of oxygen tanks and comes out to chase Shadi only to stop and hide again, as if it's participating in a fun game of hide and seek. Okay, in another separate video,
Oh, we
netizens,
have more.
yeah, there's 4, remember,
Oh,
have
is it?
claimed
Okay, nice.
the
Right.
elephant is laughing at Shadi. Okay,
Laugh.
laughing?
Wait, the elephant? Oh, what? It's
Elephant
scary, man.
laughs?
Yeah, they can laugh.
Was the cameraman laughing?
I'm hearing, not laughing.
No, just now only a bit. No, this the guy.
Okay, that's the
Cameraman.
cameraman.
What the hell is that laugh?
I think it's a bro lah
Oh,
yang
oh, oh, oh.
uh
Mario!
What is that?
why the camera sound like this?
Shadi said that the elephant has visited the fishing pot spot a few times and is most likely looking for food,
Ah,
as it has successfully nicked a bag of fishing bait before. Yeah. So netizens are loving the interaction, and many are asking him to give some fruits to the elephant in hopes for a kinship to be formed. But Shadi knows better and has said that doing so might be dangerous and disruptive if it keeps coming to their work spot looking to be fed. Well, while elephants are known to be intelligent and social creatures, they can be playful, but human and elephant conflict are also common. So yeah, that's about it. This topic here.
I'm
No
sorry
problem.
guys, I got emergency just now. It's solved. Oh, where are
So
we, Chris?
we just read a whole thing too. So
Oh,
they
okay.
were netizens were suggesting to give this elephant some fruit, for
Yeah.
kinship to be formed between this guy. But
Right.
they also say they can be a human elephant conflict because it's also common.
Yeah, indeed.
So
Okay, can we watch the video just now? I just want to hear the laugh again.
this one,
Yes. Am I hearing this right?
yeah, that one, that's the laugh.
Man, I mean, that's creepy at night, though.
Would you be in the jungle at night? Tell me that.
Going back from school, but I'm really interested in this cameraman, you know.
That guy, we need to ask what's wrong with your laugh. Oh
Ah,
my
see?
God. Sounds like a monkey, bro.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, I say, oh.
Oh.
Man, the cameraman is the spotlight here.
Yeah,
That is cute, though. I mean, the elephant lah, not the cameraman. Of course.